Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cocktail mocktails. We'll start by exploring the essential components that form the foundation of any great non-alcoholic drink. Focus on gathering fresh, high-quality ingredients such as vibrant fruits, aromatic herbs, and flavorful spices. Choosing the right base liquid, like sparkling water or a premium juice, is also key. Finally, selecting appropriate glassware elevates the entire experience, making your mocktail feel truly special and inviting. Next, let's dive into crafting incredible flavor profiles. The secret lies in balancing different taste elements: sweet, sour, bitter, and even a touch of umami. You can create infused simple syrups by simmering sugar and water with herbs like rosemary or spices such as ginger. Don't forget the power of muddling. Gently pressing fresh fruits and herbs releases their essential oils and vibrant aromas, adding a wonderful complexity to your mocktail. Presentation is just as important as taste when it comes to mocktails. Elevate your drink with creative garnishes, perhaps a delicate citrus twist, a sprig of fresh mint, or even a few colorful edible flowers. Consider rimming your glass with sugar for a sweet treat or salt for a savory contrast. Layering ingredients, like a vibrant berry puree beneath sparkling water, also adds stunning visual appeal and distinct flavor experiences with every sip. Now for some simple mocktail ideas to get you started. A refreshing cucumber mint fizz, made with muddled cucumber, fresh mint, lime juice, and sparkling water is always a crowd pleaser. For something with a kick, try a spicy ginger peach cooler, combining peach puree, ginger ale, and a tiny dash of chili powder. Remember, the best part is experimenting with various fruit and herb combinations to discover your own signature non-alcoholic creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.